you know, guys, I'm just staying in the jungle, okay?
You know what, guys? Again, two person is coming.
Good afternoon, my name is B and I'm an I-POP trainee right now. B is unboxing something, like once again the parcel is coming. So let's see what is actually saying me. They are saying me actually two. Let's see what is this. I'm so tired actually. It's like after my same actually. But I opened only one. Oh, this is the face serum. Can I show this one? Let's try, okay? Let's try. Let's see. Okay, I just using in these bottles, then I give you the result, okay? Oh my goodness. Do you know, guys, I'm just staying in the jungle, okay? My room is nearest the jungle, so it's a secret. It's a big secret. One day I reveal the jungle, okay? Bye bye. See you in my next vlog.